This compact Samsung front-load washer fits comfortably in small homes or apartments while still offering a practical 2.5 cubic feet capacity for everyday laundry loads. Its accelerated wash option can handle a normal load in about 40 minutes, which noticeably shortens laundry day without leaving clothes feeling undercleaned. The built-in steam feature does an impressive job loosening stains and refreshing fabrics, so you are less dependent on heavy pre-treating or multiple wash cycles. Noise and vibration are very well controlled, making this washer a good choice for closets or spaces near living areas where a loud machine would be disruptive. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the self-cleaning cycle and alerts, and the smooth drum design is gentle on fabrics while still providing thorough cleaning. Energy Star certification helps keep utility usage in check, so this washer suits buyers who want strong performance without wasting water or electricity.